Welcome to the channel. My name is Peter. Today I will be explaining to you how to pass any funding challenge within a week. Yes, you've heard it right, within a week, not more than that. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. What is a funding trading challenge? Okay, a trading challenge is it is a challenge when you pass this challenge, you will be given a live account, and when you trade this account, you will be received 80%, sometimes 90%, 75%, it depends what challenge you choose, but you will get, let's say, 80% of profits directly for you. That is incredible. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna buy a challenge, you will have to pass on a demo account two phases. Once you pass them, you will be given a live account. And that is the most beautiful thing that I've seen so far. Okay, what are the benefits of funding challenge? First of all, when you are trading this account, you're not emotionally attached to it. You make better decisions. Your all finances are not exposed. When you are trading your real account, that's when the problem comes in. You are worrying about, you cannot sleep, you have some positions open, you are maybe risking more, maybe not sure about the stop loss. Where with the funding challenge, it's fine. You can have like a couple of challenges. Okay, one will be lost, but this one, I'll get that one passed. A completely different story. When you are not emotionally attached to trading, you make better decisions. That has been proven, and that is the real secret of trading. Okay, in this video, I will show you a simple but effective strategy to pass any funding challenge within a week. Okay, so within a week, not more than that. Okay, could be maybe maximum 2 weeks, but usually it's within a week. Okay, so let's start. I will be explaining to you two very easy strategies. One is US Open at 2:30 UK time or 9:30 US time. That's when the stock market opens. So that's a strategy number one. The second one is London close, where we have very often a US 30 reversal at 4 p.m. GMT, which is 11 a.m. US time. So you have two simple strategies, two simple ways to make profits, and two simple ways to pass your challenge this week or next week. Okay, so what tools do we need? We need a TradingView account. You can get it, it's for free. We need I'm actually using the following indicators. Maybe you have your own indicators, you've customized your indicators, go ahead, use them as well, not a problem. What I'm using is this BJTSI, which is free. I'm using RSI, which is free as well. Actually, this one here, volume delta indicator, I've done this one as a customized indicator, very, very helpful in my case. Actually, if you would like to try this indicator, let me know your trading view, and I'll give you 5 days trial, because I just want to find out if it's just me or is it for everybody that is working so well. So I need someone to actually test it. It cannot be just me making all these profits. I'm also using Magic Algo, which is another customized indicator. But if you have your indicators, use them. Let's see how they work. However, if you would like to try this one and this one, let me know your TradingView ID. I'll be happy to give it to you for a trial. Let's see if you can also get such amazing results as I'm getting. Okay, so the first strategy. So you have a choice. You can open, you can try to open a position when actually when US opens, when the stocks open here, or you can just wait for 30 minutes. Personally, I prefer to wait for 30 minutes because within that 30 minutes period, there's like a fight going on, so the direction of the index will be very much more clear and visible after 30 minutes. So what I do, I just watch. Sometimes if I have a good entry, I will go ahead and I will open it. However, I prefer to watch, and I will open my position after 30 minutes. Like in this case, where the opening here. Okay, fine. You can see that this one is positive here. This volume is really helpful because volume predicts the price. So we can see the volume rising and we can see the volume declining. Let me just show you quickly here. So we can see, the volume is declining. So what that means, if the volume predicts the price, it is very possible that we can see some kind of retracement. And here we go. We have a sell signal, we have a red dot, we have a trend tracer going red, we have this band changing to red, and look at this one is turning red as well. This indicator is the one I mentioned to you, is BJTSI. You can get it for free from TradingView. This one is the one I customized. It's really, really helpful this one really predicts the price. Look at this. It's showing us the volume is decreasing. That means possible retracement will take place. Okay, so here we go. So we're going down now. We're going down. So that's what I did. I wait for like 30 minutes, and exactly around 3 o'clock I would open a short position because this one is going red, volume is decreasing. Our customized improved RSI has a red triangle pointing downward and is crossing our 50 line. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 confirmations. No, 4, 5, 6. And then look at this, another confirmation, sell. So we get that one, and we are able to catch from that point. Actually, I was able to catch yesterday, exactly when we come to this support level here. We can see the support. 425 points, ladies and gentlemen. 425 points. And I just want to tell you something. Imagine if you have 10 points to go down, and your 10 points are, let's say, $10. That means you have just passed your challenge with $4,250 in profit. And how long did it take us? It took us 1 hour. Not 1 week. I apologize if I said 1 week. It took us 1 hour. Okay, this is the one case. It doesn't happen often, but it happens once a week. And I'll show it to you. Another example that it does happen. So it's very simple. What do? Opening, you wait, you see for direction, you use the indicators here in that case, and you just trying to see how much you can get. So you could just change your stop loss to 0 when it keeps going down, and then you just enjoy the profit and you pass your challenge. So that was just one example. That was yesterday, okay? But you think, hey, that looks easy. But let me show you one more example and you will tell me if it's easy. Okay, here's another example. This was last week, another day where you can pass your challenge. I promised you, I'll show it to you. So here we go. So we have a situation, we have this support level here. It's bouncing off nicely. We have a buy signal here as well. So we have, okay, we have this red, but however, what's happening here? Look at this, exactly like 230 is going up. We can see this one is going to be green soon, and a volume predicts the price, and the volume is increasing. We have the magical triangle here showing upward movement, and let's see. Like I say, I would just wait 30 minutes. However, if you have your strategy already, you can kind of take a little bit of this one and use this as well. So look at this. Let's see what happened. This is opening here, opening 9:30 US time, or it could be like, let's say 2:30 if you are in UK. So let's see what's happened there. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me just stop there for a moment. So you can very, very clearly see here what's happened. This one went above. It's not red anymore. We can see the volume predicts the price. So it did predict that we're going up. With the line crossing above 0, volume increasing. And we can see the RSI crossing 50. And let's see how much would you be in profit just right here. That is around 300 points. And ladies and gentlemen, if you can make 300 points, I don't need to tell you that you have just passed your challenge. Okay, maybe you can pass 1 week and then get, depends how much you put in on each point. So let's do 1 week and then another week. At least you have 2 days where you can pass it, okay? So now let's have a look at, let's say, if we actually waited and we did not open the position. Let me just stop for a second. Okay, here's another example. This was last week, another day where you can pass your challenge. I promised you, I'll show it to you. So here we go. So we have a situation, we have this support level here. It's bouncing off nicely. We have a buy signal here as well. So we have, okay, we have this red, but however, what's happening here? Look at this, exactly like 230 is going up. We can see this one is going to be green soon, and a volume predicts the price, and the volume is increasing. We have the magical triangle here showing upward movement. And let's see, like I say, I would just wait 30 minutes. However, if you have your strategy already, you can kind of take a little bit of this one and use this as well. So look at this. Let's see what happened. This is opening here, opening 9:30 US time, or it could be like, let's say 2:30 if you are in UK. So let's see what's happened there. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me just stop there for a moment. So you can very, very clearly see here what's happened. This one went above. It's not red anymore. We can see the volume predicts the price. So it did predict that we're going up. With the line crossing above 0, volume increasing. And we can see the RSI crossing 50. And let's see how much would you be in profit just right here. That is around 300 points. And ladies and gentlemen, if you can make 300 points, I don't need to tell you that you have just passed your challenge. Okay, maybe you can pass 1 week and then get, depends how much you're putting on each point. So let's do 1 week and then another week. At least you have 2 days where you can pass it, okay? So now let's have a look at, let's say, if we actually waited and we did not open the position. Let me just stop for a second. Okay, so here we have like 30 minutes later. You could see it already went up quite a bit. You can just wait because we have a red candle. So let's see what's happened. You're going to wait a little bit and then you're going to go long because the volume is increasing. Okay, the RSI is going down. That's not a good sign, but we're just going to wait a little bit and let's see when we can enter. Just let's see what's happening here. So what would you do? You would basically open a position as soon as you see this green candle here. And this one is still positive. The volume is a little bit decreasing, but still okay. But let's see what's happened after that. Yeah, it keeps going up, keeps going up. So look, if you're not sure, you can always watch it and you can open your position as you go along. This one, however, you can see it's not it's showing us some divergence here as well. And this one is bearish divergence. So when you see this bearish divergence, this was maybe a bit more risky. So that's what I'm saying. You have to make a decision. You can open at the opening, or if the setup is good, after 30 minutes. So you have to choose. Like in our case, it was very clear that the opening was a better option. But look at this. You have on volume here, I would like to show you something. We have this divergence. And divergence is a really good strategy that people use to identify possible change of price movement. So let's just watch. I would say here, it is around 7 UK time. I would be expecting, because we have this divergence here, that the price is still going up. I'm still watching. I don't have any position. I close my position here. I'm just watching here. So let's say if I've got this red dot, I'm going to open a short position now. Let's see what's happening. Look at this. Look at this. Well, it's not a lot, but there was a sell signal here. And like from this dot where I open, you have 105 points. It's not the best, but it's just to show you an example of divergence. So that was just an easy strategy showing to you how to trade US Open and how to use also this incredible volume indicator. And we know the volume predicts the price. So definitely good. I mean, in that case here, you have both bearish and bullish divergence hidden, and the other ones as well. So yeah, it's really useful. And let me show you quickly our second strategy. So you always have something. Just to show you quickly with this RSI, the way I like it is I go to settings here, and I will actually choose. I will usually you will have this by default, also showing hidden divergence. What I will do, I'll remove this one and this one because maybe it's too much information there. It could be a bit confusing. Unless you're a very experienced trader, you can keep it on. So that's what I do. Let me just close it. And then how can you use this one? I mean, let me just show you. We had the bearish divergence here. So the price is going up and the RSI is going down. So we have a bearish divergence. So I'm not just going to open short now. I will be looking out for some kind of a sell signal. So I would say here or maybe there. So we have a bearish divergence in here. And I'm waiting for the price to go down. And look at this, we have a red dot, we have a sell, and we are again 144 points in profit. Let's go to the next example. We had the bearish divergence here. I like this indicator because it shows me exactly when there is a bearish, when there's a bullish divergence. I don't need to think twice because I'm focused on something else. Very useful. And you can do the settings the way you like it. So here we're expecting the price to go down. And look what's happening. We're not going to open because there's a bearish divergence. We're just watching the price to go down. So we have a red dot, very important, and we have a sell signal, and the price is going down as we expected from here till there. You just made 100 points. Quick profit, in and out. Okay, so let's move on, and I'll show you very briefly my second strategy that happens once a week or twice a week, and you can pass your challenge once a week. Okay, so my second strategy is based on US 30 reversal that takes place at least twice a week, sometimes almost every day. And you can get like 100 points plus. Especially on Fridays, after a big drop, we have a massive reversal, very often around 4 p.m. GMT UK time. So in that case, I'm looking for this. From opening, we're going to go down around 4 p.m. UK time, which is 11 a.m. US time, I believe. Let's have a look at that one. Yeah, 11 a.m. US time. We're going to go like this, and we're going to stop. This is London close. And what's going to happen here, we will create a W formation, which will look like this. So you're looking like that. Then you're looking for kind of small retracement like this. And then this W formation will start creating, and we're just going to keep going up. And we're just going to keep going up and keep going up. So this is my strategy with US 30 reversals. You're looking for W formation. This is a very common pattern that takes place. So you're looking for this. So a drop at the London close. It can be like 30 minutes, 20 minutes before London close, but you get it, just around this time. So you have this W formation. You have, if you look at that one here, from here, it can this one is about 50% usually. Well, not in this case, but if you do the Fibonacci, so you can see this W formation. You can use the Fibonacci tool and see the retracement here. Usually is 50%. This one. So you go from here till there, and you have 50% retracement, and then off we go. So my entry will be here, or my entry will be around 4 p.m. to go up. And let's have a look what's happened last Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This is like opening here. So what we have, that's like I said, it doesn't have to be 4 o'clock. It can be before. In that case, we had this W a little bit earlier, like that. Well, nothing's perfect. What can I say? So that's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. So yeah, all the way up. And this is, we're getting here around this area. So you look at this time. It's, let's say you're going to open exactly at 4 p.m. this time, okay? What's going to happen from here, if you just blindly open, but I wouldn't recommend it, you go like here, and you just made 560 points. Congratulations, you have passed your challenge. Yes, once a week, it's not every day, but it does happen. Let's presume it happens once a month. Wouldn't that be good to have this once a month? Well, look around, look at the formations you get on Fridays and Thursdays, and you will be surprised that you might get this once a month. So let's just come back again to the indicators here again, and I just want to show you how did I actually got more confidence, confluences around here, and confidence to open long position. So let's say you can see this green triangle, fantastic. RSI is crossing 50, amazing. Look at this, guys. This is unbelievable. This one here is showing us the volume is increasing. This indicator shows very well the difference between buys and sells in volume. So in that case, look at this. It looks like magic here. In that case, I'm confident to go long. I'm confident to go long. And I'm going long. So we have this trend tracer going green as well. We have a buy signal here as well. Okay, there's a divergence, but like I said, it doesn't mean you need to open a position. It is just showing you that this volume is decreasing, however the price is increasing. So if you want to be super safe, you would have actually closed the position already in here. Let me show you. You would open, let's say, I would open here, and then I would close it here. So you have 335 points if you want to play it super safe. However, if you like to take risk, a little bit more, you can see as it is retracing, possibly breaking above this resistance level here. Off we go, and look at this, so many points, 500 points in profit. So this is my second strategy, which I believe is the most profitable and the best strategy that you can find. The first one was good, but this, guys, is amazing. And I just want to, before I go briefly, I just want to show you something here. So what this indicator does, it does a really good job with predicting the price because of the volume. And it shows us as well divergence as well, which is very, very useful. Many people who trade divergences, they will understand what I'm talking about. Easy to use, Easy to change the settings there as well, the way you like it. I highly recommend it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to have more detailed videos about my strategies, please subscribe to my channel. And what I've decided now, because I've got these amazing strategies that I'm practicing on a daily basis, I have decided to buy one challenge a week and pass. Okay, maybe not, let's be realistic, not every week. I will try to pass it every 2 weeks. One challenge every 2 weeks. And I will be very, I'll be standing on the side, I'll be watching the market, I will wait for my W formation, I will check my US Open, I will not be trading, I will trade maybe 3 times a week, I will be looking. If there is an entry, I will go for it. I set myself a target, 2 weeks to pass a challenge. And I believe if you are not day trading every day, you are very likely to pass it. You need to find that specific moments where you can make constant profits all the time. It doesn't mean you have to do it every day. You can open one position once a month, which will generate $20,000. You understand? It doesn't have to be every day that you have to trade. So all you do, you're just observing, looking for the formation, looking for the patterns, and you do 1, 2, or 3 positions a week. That's the maximum in my case. When I go, I go. At the moment, let's see what's happening on US 30. I just want to show you something. This is my plan for this week and the next week. So I've got this pattern here, and I'm expecting Dow Jones by Friday. Look, I'm just looking. It doesn't have to happen. It can happen. I'm expecting this one to, look, it's already rejecting over here from my line that I drew yesterday. But if it's going to break above it, I'm expecting a rejection here and definitely there. But over here, 100%. I'm expecting this one actually go like that, and possibly Thursday we might drop here. There's a profit to be made, a couple of 100 points. I'm expecting to open a big position here in this level here, which is around here, 392. And this is my plan, okay? So I'm not trading, I'm looking, I'm planning, and I'm attacking this index. The way I can, and I'm extracting the profits. And I'm using my 2 strategies to do it constantly, and they are very profitable. So that's my plan for this week, and next week on US 30, you can see all the targets. And now I'm just relaxed. I'm not in any positions because I don't have to. I just let the market to come to me. I'm not going to be chasing this market. Ladies and gentlemen, that was US 30. Thank you very much. And please subscribe and click the like button. If you would like to have a trial with my indicators, you are welcome to do so. Just have a look in the description. I will be happy to give you access because I want you to try it. If you also can be so successful as myself with this volume indicator. Yeah, just give it a try for a couple of days and please let me know if you're also getting success. But I believe that if you use those 2 strategies, you learn week by week, I believe that you will be very successful as well. Thank you very much. Bye.